All right, Snell's Law. One more time here. The sine of 18 degrees. The sine of 18 degrees is 0.309. Okay, let's carry it out to 5 decimals just for kicks and grins here. Okay?
0.30901.
0.30901. Good with that? That is the sine of this angle right here. Good with that, right? So 0.30901 times 230,000. 0.30901 times 230,000.
71072.3.
Okay, that's what you get if you carry out these 5 decimals, right? If you carry all them out, you might get a little slightly different number. Okay? And that's okay, that's not a bad thing. So 71,072.3. So that's this times this. Now we need to divide by 110,000. That's going to equal
0.646111.
111. All right. So the sine of angle 2 is 0.646111. So the sine of this angle right here, we already have 40.25. Let's make sure that's correct. The sine of our angle is 0.646. Everybody's there, right? You guys are all good?
Yes.
Okay, so now we need inverse sine of 0.646.
Second and then sine? Or
Second sine on your calculator. Depending on the calculator you have, you're going to push the number in, 0.64611, and then push second sine.
Inverse.
Inverse sine. It's second sine on the calculator.
So it'd be 40.25. 249?
Yeah, well,
We got 250.
Okay, and if you carry out all the decimals, that's fine. And if you don't, you're going to get a little bit different number, and that's completely fine too. That's very, very close. If we round up, 40 and almost a quarter of a degree, right? Good with that? That's longitudinal wave. So that tells us here 40.25, which we had. We were just making sure that's correct. Okay. Now let's run the shear wave out. You guys just run this out for me. I'm not going to write the numbers up here. Sine of 18 degrees is 0.30901, right? Mm-hmm. Times 130,000 this time for the shear wave. Okay, we already know, since the velocity is roughly half, the angle over here should be roughly half, right? Roughly half. It's not going to be exactly half, but it's going to be close. So sine of 18 degrees times 130,000.
2142 is the whole answer. 2142.001.
Okay, so let's just put that over here. Make sure you're right. I'm not saying you're wrong. 21.42 degrees. Somebody run this out for me, though. I just want to make sure I got the numbers. Sine of 18 times 130,000 is
40172.20.
40172.209. Okay. So now divide by 110,000, and I'm just going to write this number down. Sine of angle 2 equals
0.3652.
pretty close to half of what we had over there. So we inverse sine 0.3652, and we get 21.42 or something very, very close, right?
21.4198.
21.4198. All right, we can round that up. That's close enough. Questions there?